This wireless feature makes it very simple to use and set up. It displays maps and media on its big screen for easy viewing. It uses AI technology to offer smart features while you drive. The AI can alert you to unusual events or potential dangers. It also has built-in GPS navigation to help you find your way. GPS shows your exact location and the best route to your destination. It solves the problem of not knowing what happened during a drive by recording every moment. The GT2 Pro 11.3 car DVR is a smart device made for your car that helps you drive safer and smarter. It has a large 11.3-inch screen that is very easy to see. It works like a computer inside your car. It comes with a 4000 camera that records videos in very clear quality. It uses the cameras to record both the front view and the cabin view. It captures everything happening on the road so you have proof if something goes wrong. It functions as a dashcam to record your drives automatically. It saves video files that can help in case of an accident. The high-quality recording shows important details like license plates clearly. It supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto so you can connect your phone without any cables. It makes driving safer by keeping a record of your journey. It is very user-friendly, even if you are not a tech expert. Find the link in the comments to get yours.